We can say that in series combination, resistance equivalent will be R1 plus R2. So corresponding to the equivalent rod, we can say this as the resistance of equivalent rod. This has resistance for first rod and this has resistance of second rod. So we have L equivalent by R equivalent 4 is L1 by R1 4 plus L2 by R2 4. Next is if equivalent rod has length 12, then so you just equate L equivalent as 12. From here we get this relation. Now is if the rods are connected in parallel, then first question is ratio of pressure difference between them. So in parallel combination, pressure difference is same, so that will be 1:1. Next is ratio of volume flow rate through them. So V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. So I proportional to 1 by R. So I1 by I2 will be R2 by R1. And we know resistance is 8 theta L upon pi R4. So you just write this expression, and finally the result that is going to be over there is I1 by I2 is L2 by L1. So that is R1 by L2 by L1 into R1 by R2 raised to power 4. Next is relation between equivalent load parameters. So we know that in parallel combination, resistances are added as inverse. So 1 by R equivalent is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that gives the relation between equivalent load and the load parameters by this equation. So these are the basic worksheets which are made to make sure that you just start working from zero level. Because as I have observed is most of the students are unable to cope up with the frequency of the class. They feel fear, anxiety, depression while discussing or while learning in the class itself, because they have not prepared at the very fundamental level. So these worksheets are just made to make sure that you start working on the very fundamental things, have good grasp over the fundamentals, so that you can bear up with the exam, with the the class frequency, with the frequency of the teacher. Thank you and have a nice day.